Meaning of eleventh.
11th.
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 11th. 11th is an ordinal number that represents the quantity or position of something in a series, specifically the number 11. It can be used to describe the 11th item in a list or the 11th day of a month. The word originated from the Old English words endilofan and elftan, which meant one left over 10. In modern usage, 11th can also be used to describe a fractional portion, such as an 11th of a pie. Overall, 11th is a term used to indicate a specific position or quantity in a sequential series.